Discover your musical potential at Jan's Kaba Guitar. Once again, thank you for joining to my next video of where we're gonna do the Lady in Black by Uriah Heep Part 2 on how to play the song. The first thing I'm gonna show you is the chords. There's only two chords in Lady in Black. It's A minor and G major. Lady in Black is one of the easiest songs on the internet you'll ever find. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to play so you can get a better grasp, a better understanding of how these things work. So A minor sounds like this. Okay. The first finger goes on 1st fret, 2nd string. Second finger goes on 4th string, 2nd fret. Third finger goes on 3rd string, 2nd fret, and that's how it sounds. Now, for those of you who don't get a clear sound, please look at my guitar basics video so you can get a better understanding of how to press the strings and get a clear sound, how to hold the guitar, how to have your finger positions and hand positions to get it right. Now, that's for A minor. For G major, what you're going to do is you're going to put your 2nd finger on the 3rd fret, 6th string. First finger will go on 5th string, 2nd fret. And then once you have this position here, you will twist your hand a little bit, and this will give room for your fingers to put your 3rd finger or your 4th finger, whichever is easier for you, on your 3rd fret. Now, those of you who have small hands, I would suggest you use your pinky finger, and those of you who have fairly big hands, use your 3rd finger, whichever is easier for you. The next trick is to learn to change between the two chords, which means once you feel comfortable, you find the finger positions, get a clear sound, and then practice on G major, A minor, G major, slow. Now I know those of you who are not used to the strings, you can slow down the video a little bit and just keep practicing. Learn the two chords, A minor and G major, and then start practicing changing between the two. Once you get that and you start feeling comfortable, then you can start playing again with the tab lesson or the song Uriah Heep, and you start practicing downstroke 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, G, 2, 3, 4, A, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, G, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, G, 2, A, 2, etc. And you will learn this if you click to the link to the song or click to the tab lesson, the ribbon tab lesson, which is going to be also in the description below. If you feel uncomfortable playing fast, if it's too fast for you, slow down the playback speed into 1.5 or 1.25, whichever is easier for you, and then just take it really, just take your time. Take your time. You're not giving exams here. You're not trying to impress anybody. Don't feel any stress, no frustration. Just have fun with it. That's the whole key of music, just to have fun. And once you do that, then you'll be able to accelerate and play it at a normal speed. Once you start feeling comfortable with a slow speed, you start playing with the normal speed, and I assure you, you're gonna make it. You're gonna be so proud of yourself once you do that, really. And I'm gonna be proud of you too, seriously. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, press a like, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or any feedback you want to give me, and I would really much appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. This is Jan again, Skapa, and I'll see you guys next time.